Unlocking the power of chia seeds. Let's dive into the tiny yet powerful world of chia seeds, a superfood that can invigorate your health with every spoonful. Discover their incredible benefits for your well-being. Chia seeds are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which play a vital role in maintaining heart health by reducing inflammation, lowering blood pressure, and improving overall cardiovascular function. Rich in fiber, chia seeds support digestion and promote a healthy gut. The soluble fiber aids in regular bowel movements and can prevent constipation, keeping your digestive system happy. Including chia seeds in your diet can also help regulate blood sugar levels. The fiber content slows sugar absorption, which may prevent spikes and dips in blood glucose, supporting diabetes management. These seeds are an excellent source of plant-based protein, making them ideal for vegetarians and vegans. Protein is essential for muscle repair, growth, and maintaining a feeling of fullness. Chia seeds are loaded with antioxidants, which combat oxidative stress and protect your body from free radical damage. This can slow aging and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Containing essential minerals like calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, chia seeds contribute to strong bones and teeth. They support bone density and help prevent conditions like osteoporosis. For those looking to manage their weight, chia seeds can be a valuable ally. They expand in the stomach, promoting a feeling of fullness and reducing overall calorie intake. Hydration is key, and chia seeds can help. When soaked in water, they absorb liquid, aiding in hydration and providing a delicious way to increase your overall water intake. With their anti-inflammatory properties, chia seeds can help soothe inflammation throughout the body. This can be beneficial for individuals dealing with arthritis or other inflammatory conditions. Chia seeds can enhance skin health due to their fatty acids and antioxidants. They help maintain skin moisture, reduce dryness, and improve overall skin elasticity and appearance. Incorporating chia seeds into your meals is simple and versatile. Add them to smoothies, yogurt, oatmeal, or baked goods for a nutritious boost without compromising on taste. Embrace the power of chia seeds and transform your health journey. These little seeds offer a multitude of benefits, making them a must-have for anyone seeking a healthier lifestyle.